See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
All right, so that is a serving senator representing the donut, Senator Adams Oshomole, a former governor, in a private jet, giving his girlfriend, Abi, his wife, a foot massage. You see, these people no longer hide it. Before, they did one for back. Now, they did one in our faces. They don't longer hide it again. One would ask, does he deserve enjoyment? Yes, of course he does. But how much is Adams Oshomole's salary when he go there for inside private jet? I don't know if you understand. How much is his salary? You inside private jet, how much is your salary? Now, the reason why I'm reacting to this video is to just put sense in the heads of the youth. Listen, how old is Adams Oshomole? Adams Oshomole, they 70 something years. Adams Oshomole see they enjoy the money where they thief. All those about God punish you. God punishes politicians, you know they work. That's just what I want to tell you today. It doesn't work. All those politicians, where would they cause? Say, God go judge you. God go punish them. We go. All those patients, where would they wait? Say, may God punish these guys. You know, really, they punish them. These people don't carry the money, save them for the latter days. Adams Oshomole at 70 something. See, they for inside PJ, they do loud. They do one talk to the people where we say they tell and say, okay, God go punish you. What am I trying to say in a nutshell? Nigerian youth, we have to be wise. It's time for us to start going into politics. I will never go into politics. But man, I think the orientation at this point, it needs to be different from what they do before. Are the minds of the youth prepared? No. But when is the right time for them to get into politics? It is now. Like I said, I will always make reference to Sheyi Tinubu and Wike's son. Ebonyi State former governor, if you do mind, Pikin don't enter. All of them now, they carry their Pikin, they come. Their fathers don't do them. They won't carry their sons, their children to come do them. Meanwhile, we, the commoners, we, the grassroots people, we, the ghetto people, we, the gutter people, all we do is to criticize and talk. They shout, Aluta, Aluta, Aluta. We no go agree. Aluta continua. Aluta continua. The suffering will never stop. It's like time we go into this because the politicians that will say God go judge, God don't really they judge them. They enjoy at old age. That's number one. Number two, one would think, anybody will see this thing now for abroad, they'll say, oh, who is that man? I saw an elderly man enjoying his life in Nigeria with a beautiful girl. They'll say, na businessman. They no go no say na politician. This can never happen abroad. Never, ever, ever. Never happen abroad. Say one senator, they for instance, private jet, call holding wife leg, they do that. No, now, they take their offices too serious. They take their offices too serious. You see politicians abroad, they enter public buses. They enter train. Boris Johnson that time, they ride bike. They walk everywhere. People, they see Boris Johnson. They were seeing Boris Johnson. However, I will understand why Nigerian politicians cannot enter train because they never created a train. They can never enter buses because the roads are not safe. Even Adams Oshomole now waiting for inside private jets, the whole in girlfriend leg, having a wife leg. And then they represent Edo North, that particular area that they kidnap left, right, and center. So he can never enter bus when he's not mad. Even commercial plane, these people don't use. Let's assume that Adams does not own this plane. How much does it take to fly a private jet, domestic flight? Now from $13,000 upward. It used to be $10,000. Now it's $13,000 upward. So that means say this one, if no be Adams get the plane, which to get the plane for Adams, no, it no really mean anything. But let's assume say no be own. For that cheap, you go spend that money. Meanwhile, you were governor for 8 years. You could not put your state in order. Insecurity. You know, as small as Edo State, they don't create tram. Even if not tram, no be train safe, I ask. Tram network. Make tram, they carry people around intercity. Edo State get the best road network in Nigeria, and I do get them. You don't go Benin. After how many meters you go see road, go like this, go like this, go like this. That's it. Now you finish as governor, you come as senator, all you can show us is you and woman for inside private jet, you hold her foot, a man of over 70 something years old. They don't know hide it anymore. They don't care what you think. They don't care what you think. My message is simple. Nigerian youth, The orientation needs to start becoming different. God will punish you, God is not punishing them. Thunder fire you, thunder is not firing them. It's not really firing them anymore. As I grow up, I realize some things. Do you understand? With time, like I said, we will prepare our own youth that we go into this politics. Because, man, I will not make the same mistake that the people before me made. Do you understand? No wonder Fela tried to register MOP, Movement of the People Party. No wonder he tried to do that, because he saw that. I'm not going to call some other names that made a lot of mistakes. I have the biggest movement in this country right now. Millions of people, not only in Nigeria, across. I'm not going to trade my nose ring or my hairstyle for any politics. But you see, the right people have to come into power. And gently, 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 we'll do it. Gently, gently, even if not counselor. The right movement will provide. For now, let's go back to God will punish the politicians, But the orientation needs to stick. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way. They don't longer hide it anymore because they know saying, "Una papa, I your son, I go do not God punish you." Or you protest, aluta continua. Peace and love, don't play. Yes, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way.